Are you struggling to find the winning product on Amazon? You are not alone. Most sellers fall before they even launch the Amazon marketplace. The Amazon marketplace is flooded between saturated niches and misleading product data. Finding a profitable product feels like searching for a needle in the haystack. Hours are wasted and money disappears with every wrong decision. That's where AMZScout comes in. It's not just a product research tool, it's a full site of Amazon seller intelligence designed to help you uncover low competition, high demand products with real-time data-driven precision. Using AMZScout product database and Pro extension can analyze what's already selling, check historical trends, spy on competitors, and validate your product idea before even placing an order. Just open the Chrome extension, scan the listing, and compare critical metrics like scales, volume revenue, and FBA fees. If you follow this system and stick with the data, you stop guessing and start launching product that actually sells. With AMZScout, success isn't just possible, it's predictable. Now let's head down to the screen.
Now I'm going to tell you all about the possibilities of AMZScout service. AMZScout is an extension for Chrome browser that allows you to quickly gain a niche in the app market and choose a successful product to start business on Amazon. Using some similar software services, you probably had to enter the merchant account information on Amazon in order to obtain complete product data. With AMZScout, it's enough just to install the extension via Chrome Store, and you can start working immediately. At the moment, AMZScout is available for use on 8 marketplaces: USA, the United Kingdom, Canada, Germany, France, Italy, India, and Japan. So let's get started. First, go to the Amazon homepage and enter the name of the searched item. For example, a lunchbox. The search engine provides information on all products stocked by the issuer, helping you get an initial idea of the market niche. In the future, we will use filters for greater convenience of working with data. Let's put the price 15 to 60, rank under 10,000, reviews under 300, and the seller's category, only FBA. By the way, if you do not select the type of seller, then the search engine will search all types of sellers. Here we can see the list of the products based on the filter settings we have set. What information about the product we can get: the product name, brand, the advertised price and the minimum price, Amazon fees, a markup fee, LQS, the category, the number of sellers, the rank of the product in Amazon ranking system, approximate sales per month, the approximate revenues, the number of reviews, date when the first listing was created on Amazon, the rating, weight, and type of seller. Data can be sorted by any of the columns. To get information on how the level of demand for a product has changed, you can use Google Trends. For example, for this product, we can see that the overall trend is growing and seasonal peaks usually occur in August. Let's choose a specific product and try to estimate how much you can earn. For example, this lunchbox has a relatively low rating and a fairly good level of revenue. If the product has a low rating, you can learn what the customers did not like and launch a product with improved specifications. Now let's use the profit calculator to calculate the net profit. Imagine that we found a similar product on Alibaba.com for $6 an item. So the profit from one unit is $9, and total monthly net profit will be $9,000 a month. For a more complete picture, we can check data on how the price and rank of the product have changed. To set up the display of the columns, you should go to Options. You can specify which columns to show and which columns to hide. In addition, there is a data on RPR, non-standardized size, and the number of product variations. Sometimes it is necessary to work on a large array of data, and then it is more convenient to input data onto Excel. For this purpose, you can export data using the extended version of AMZScout. For uploading data from Next Pages, use Amazon Next Page button. Or if you want to load a lot of data at once, here's a button called X5. You will see all the data from all 5 pages. In addition to the fact that the service allows you to retrieve data from the Amazon search request, you also have the opportunity to observe data on goods from Amazon's special pages. Bestsellers, new releases, movers and shakers, the most desired products.
Okay, this is how to find a profitable niche to sell on Amazon. Suppose you like to start trading on Amazon. One of the major things that should be done to run a business on Amazon is to choose a very profitable niche. Of course, you know that, and choosing the less competitive niche gives you an advantage. That's one thing you know about this. So what is required to choose the right niche? You need to know the data of sales volume, main competitors, strength level, and the expected level of profit you are going to expect. So you surely can assess this niche and spend time on data collection and processing. And one thing you have to know about this, and however, the same results can be achieved much faster. That's why we have developed a solution a tool which can help you. So this is AMZScout. With this tool, you can type product name and get detailed sales statistics. Okay, link is in the bio for you to sign up and get discount on of this AMZScout tool, so which you can use to check the trend as well. So go right now and check the bio and sign up. Thank you.